Today I'm going to demonstrate how we divide using the two different models that we use in 4th grade. The first one will be called the partial quotients method, and the second one is called the area model. I'm going to do both models at the same time so that we can understand exactly what it is that we're doing. The first step always is to underline the very first place value we have. And we ask ourselves, okay, we have 7 1,000s. Is that enough to give each group of 4 one 1,000? And the answer is yes. So we ask ourselves, okay, how many 1,000s will each group get? Each group will get 1 1,000. Or the children can say, how many 4 times what gets me close to 7 without going over? I have told the students that if they're unsure of the fact that we use for our divisor, write those facts out to the side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then go back and say 1 times 4 is 4, times 2 is 8. Basically, all they're doing is skip counting. And that way, they will have everything that they need right here. So 4 goes into 7 how many times? 1. Since we're in the thousands place value, it's really a 1,000. So the next step is to multiply back. I'm going to write the steps right here. Divide, multiply, subtract. So now we're multiplying. 1,000 times 4 is 4,000. 1,000 times 4 is 4,000. And we subtract. 3, 9, 2, 3. 3, 9, 2, 3. Now, I have the kids ask themselves, okay, I have 3 1,000s. That's not enough to give everybody another 1,000, so we move to our hundreds. We have 32 100s. In our area model, we simply move this to the hundreds place value. 3,293. And we underline up to the hundreds place value. So now we ask ourselves again, how many times will 4 go into 32? Or 4 times what gets me close to 32 without going over? They can look on their little chart that they made over here and find out that it's 8. 4 times 8 gets me 32. Since we're in the hundreds place value, it's not an 8, it's an 800. So we put 800. Now we multiply back. 800 times 4 is 3,200. I tell them, drop your 2 zeros, and then all you have to do is 8 times 4 is 32. 8, drop your 2 zeros, 8 times 4 is 32. Now we subtract. 3, 9, 0, 0, 3, 9. So now we've done our thousands, we've done our hundreds, now we're in our tens. So here we underline up to the tens place value. In the area model, we simply move this to our tens place value. Now we ask ourselves, how many 4s are in 9? Or we could say 4 times what gets me close to 9? That's using the inverse operation. And they could say 2. And since we're in our tens place value, it's really a 20. Multiply back. 20 times 4, we can drop our 1 0. And 2 times 4 is 8. And now we subtract. Now we ask ourselves again, do I have enough ones, enough tens to give everybody 1? No, I don't. So now we're in our ones place value. We move this to our ones. Now I have 13 ones. How many 4s are in 13? Or you could say 13 divided by 4. Or using inverse operation, 4 times what number gets me close to 13 without going over? That would be 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. That's multiplying back. Now we subtract. We get a 1. I do not have enough to give everybody in the group another one, so the 1 is our remainder. Using our partial quotients, our answer is 1,823 with a remainder of 1. Same thing, 1,823 with the remainder of 1.